A rational inequality is an inequality that contains a rational expression. These inequalities have solutions that are in the form of either a number line graph or interval notation. I'm going to show both of the solutions here. With these solutions, you have to be mindful of extraneous solutions, meaning solutions that will cause division by zero. So if one of your answers has an extraneous solution, you have to get rid of it because it cannot be allowed. So we're going to solve the rational inequality x minus 4 over x plus 1 is greater than 0. So since it's greater than 0, what we're going to do is we're going to take the top, x minus 4, we're going to set it equal to 0, and we're going to take the bottom, x plus 1, and set it equal to 0 as well. But because x plus 1 is in the bottom, we need to make sure that it's not equal to 0. So, solving the first one, add the 4 over, we're going to get x equals 4, and then subtract 1 over, we're going to get x cannot equal negative 1. So I have my two numbers, and I'm going to figure out what is my solution to this inequality by using a number line graph. So negative 1 and positive 4. And I need to find test points that are in between these numbers and to the sides. So something that is less than negative 1, I'm going to say negative 2. Something in between negative 1 and 4, I'll say 0. And something greater than 4, I'll say 5. Now I'm going to take each one of these in red and plug it back into the inequality and see if it is true or not. If it's true, then it's a solution. If it's false, I throw it away. So I'm going to do negative 2 first. So negative 2 minus 4 over negative 2 plus 1. That's going to give us negative 6 over negative 1, which is going to be positive 6. And this is supposed to be greater than 0. So is 6 greater than 0? The answer is yes. It is true. So that means everything over here where the negative 2 is true. And now I do it again for 0. 0 minus 4 over 0 plus 1 going to be negative 4. And is negative 4 greater than 0? That is false. So since 0 here is false, everything between negative 1 and 4 is false. And now I'm going to do 5. 5 minus 4 over 5 plus 1 is going to give me 1 over 6 and is greater than 0. So is 1 over 6 greater than 0? Again, this is true. So since 5 is true over here, all numbers over here are true. So now, if I were to draw this as a number line graph, do a different one over here, negative 1 and 4. Since this is not equal to, I'm going to use parentheses. So I don't have to worry about this being negative 1. It would never be a bracket. So parentheses, and going to the left forever, because everything over here is true. Nothing in between. And because everything to the right of 4 is true, again, parentheses, going to the right. So this is what your answer would be like in the number line graph. In interval notation, it's going to the left forever, so it's going to be negative infinity, all the way up to negative 1, parentheses. Then we're going to union it and jump over to 4, and we're going all the way to positive infinity, like so. So up here is a number line graph expressing the solution, and here is interval notation expressing the solution.